Move your machine shop faster with Zel X. Affordable browser-based software makes it easier to handle quotes, manage jobs, make and machine parts, and share information. We have created the needed milling operations for this part. It is now time to drill the holes and post-process. With the inspect tool, we can quickly measure the depth of one of the holes to aid us in creating the drilling operations. A 25mm drill is exactly what is needed here to drill the 4 holes on the side. In the drilling operation, we can just pick the tool, select holes, and define the needed depth. In the cycle parameter, drilling or peck drilling can be chosen. In case of peck drilling, we can define a peck depth. Feeds and speeds can always be modified as well. Next, we can create a new drill for the hole in the middle of the part. We can do the exact same process as before to drill this hole with a drilling operation. After drilling, a tapping operation is needed on this M22 hole. A 22mm tap tool with 2.5mm pitch is what we need here. In the tap operation, we can just pick the tool, select holes, and define the needed depth. In the thread dimensions section, we can pick between the coarse or fine standard and pick the needed size. Once everything is where we need it, we can post-process. Single operations can be post-processed from the CAM navigator, or we can simply post-process the whole program. The created G-code can be saved and downloaded at any time. It's just that easy to machine your parts with Zel X, the affordable, browser-based software that makes it easier to handle quotes, manage jobs, make parts, and share information.